Hey, it's Dan. Welcome back. Every year, states return billions of dollars of unclaimed funds to their rightful owners. You may have missing money that you don't even know about. And I'm going to give you 3 simple websites you can go to where you can get those funds returned to you very quickly. Now, before I get started, please like, subscribe, and share this videos with your friends and colleagues. Now, this money that you may have coming is what's called unclaimed property. You may have had an old bank account, insurance settlement, made a deposit for a utility that you just forgot about. Maybe you moved and they had no way of getting a hold of you, or email wasn't good, whatever. But these funds are usually transferred to the state treasurer for your state and held until a claim is made for those. So to give you an idea, I'd done some research for myself and I had a couple $100 myself that was very easy to get. And I looked up friends, colleagues, family members, businesses that my friends had associated with. And there was quite a bit of money to all these different people that I knew that I said, hey, you got money coming, check this site out. And I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. So let's dig into it. The first site is missingmoney.com. This site is incredibly easy to use. All you do is enter your full name or the name of your business into the search query box. You can enter your last name, press enter, and look at all the money that's available for these people to claim with that last name. Now you can select your state, you can narrow the search. I live in California, but this site does not cover my state. California has its own website, and you'd have to go directly there. You can use this site to go to California, as you can see here. These are all the states below that are covered by this website. And again, it's very easy to use. This next one is the United States government and the Treasury Department. Here's the unclaimed assets for the Treasury Department. It's great. You just click on Treasury Hunt. It'll take you to the search query site. Start your search. Enter your social security number, enter the state that you live in, verify that you're not a robot through the CAPTCHA, and if there's any unclaimed federal property, you can make a claim to it. Now here is the site that I like the best and I had the most success with. This is the National Association of Unclaimed Property Administrators. This site covers every state except for the wonderful state of Maine. And I don't know why Maine is not covered, but so be it. Maine is not on the list. And you can see that in the upper right-hand corner. All these different states. Get a feeling for the website. It's very simple to use. Pick your state. Like I've said before many times, I live in California. Click on California. It brings up the unclaimed property site. Search for unclaimed property. Click on that. Enter your last name. Now my last name is Lost Cash. Go to the CAPTCHA box. Make sure you're not a robot. They want bicycles. So there's 1, there's 2. Oh, there's 1 in the top left corner. Tied to a pole. Enter that. And there's no match. Now, let's go back and use a name that's common with a friend or family member that's going to pull something up. Again, unclaimed property, search for unclaimed property. There was nothing for me under Lost Cash. So we'll use my good buddies, the Smiths. There you go. Now, check this out. There is over 310,000 different accounts in the name of Smith. It's unbelievable. Now, this is very simple to stake a claim, and I did this for myself. And once you enter it and you go to this next box, you go and fill out claim relation, put your social security number in there and your address type. If it's a home or a P.O. box, enter it, and they will send you your money. It's just that simple. See, it's very simple. And like I said earlier before, I had a couple $100 coming to myself. Give you an idea, one family member of mine had almost $1,000. A friend that I'd called in another city, she had about $1,500. Her parents had almost $3,000 worth of money that they had coming to them. So take a look at this stuff, see if it's there, apply. Their state's just going to send me a check for this. It's going to be very, very quick. Now, if they don't process it electronically, then you have to fill out a form and send a registered letter with a notarized signature that you are who you say you are, and the funds will be sent out to you. But again, very quick. Take advantage of this. Do not pay a service to do these sites at all. It's absolutely free. And get your cash today. Let me know if you guys get anything. Okay? Good luck. Like, subscribe, share this with your friends and colleagues, and I'll see you soon.